This ain't gonna be the first time that I do numbers on 2 crutches. Seen more plaques than 2 brushes. Until I'm at the pearly white gates, I gotta move something, do something. All meetings happen in person, so they can't prove nothing. Known her 8 years.
My baby skips the nightlife and the sidelines just to show me it's mine. I'm trying to treat her special, like no one ever did. Oh baby, I've been with friends. I've been solo. Where do I begin? For you.
Well done, guys, we say welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Samanthagrace. Get to know. And if you're not new to my channel, your girl is back with another video for you guys today. As you guys can see by the title, your girl slaying her face. If you want to see how I got this look, make sure you continue watching. Make sure you subscribe, join the family, join the gang, join the OSG family. I told you guys I'm back, so I wasn't lying. Your girl's back. I'm better. Obviously I started with a makeup video because this has been longly, like this has been a video that's been requested for a hot 6. So I said stop the waffling, stop the babbling, so I have dropped some gems for you guys. I also did do a separate video, which is the eyebrow tutorial, because I get straight into my makeup routine from my eyebrows. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know, I things that whenever, make sure you subscribe down below, and let me know if you guys do like this video. If you want me to try out new looks, different products, let me know down below what your favorite product is as well. But I enjoyed filming this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching it too. And yeah, y'all been wanting to see how I beat my face, what products I use, so I got y'all. Got you. So yeah, I give you guys insight on the products I'm using, and make sure to follow me on TikTok too, because I do drop a few gems on there too. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. Hey y'all, at this point I should just film the video on my iPhone, because I am going to do a makeup tutorial for you guys today. I feel like this has been a long requested video, and I know I've not been able to do it. I finally moved house. Finally, dream room is coming together slowly by slowly. My room is looking cute. You guys can see the setup is giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving that girl. It's been a long process for me, so honestly speaking, like, see, I'm just so glad to be back, and you guys gonna be seeing me. I'm gonna be doing more videos, so let me know what videos you guys want to see me do. So let's get into it. Makeup tutorial. I want to put music on, but I know already I don't want to get copyrighted on YouTube. No one has time for that. Y'all stay safe though. So let's get into it. Let's get straight into the video. If you guys want to know how I got my eyebrows looking like this, make sure you guys go tune in to my last video. Probably leave it somewhere here so you guys can go check it out. I will be doing my hair as well. I'll re-straighten my hair. I was thinking I should have just done it first, but let's just get into the face. What I like to do is I like to go in with my primer. I do go in with moisturizer. For me, what's been working for me is crazy. I be using bio oil because it helps with the scars, balancing it out, dark spots and things like that. I use it even with my like skincare routine. So I go in with my bio oil. I don't put too much, not too much, just so that it moisturizes, just so that my base of my face is very smooth. And I do have oily skin, but luckily it's not too oily, so I'm pretty much cool. To me, it's so weird because everyone's makeup routine is different. I've not really found the right moisturizer that I feel like I want to use on my face yet. That's why I don't want to just try things that don't work with me. When the base of your face is soft, it allows the rest of your makeup to have a nice skin finished, gloss finishing, reflecting, you know what I'm trying to say, type shit. See that nice finishing look, and that's the type of look I be trying to go for. I don't know about y'all, you know what I'm trying to say. So obviously I go in the bio oil. That's what works for me. So I definitely recommend, if you guys want to try bio oil, try it out and see. But you guys can see, period. If I could play something, I just want to play a little bit of music. A little bit of music ain't gonna hurt. You guys are gonna hear it all cut down though. Too many lies, too many hoes, too many bitches. I know what's real no more. And no my to the safety. I hate myself for the way you look and disrespect. Facts. Like an eviction for the streets. What I do is I go in with my the face. It gives the makeup a grip. Something to hold on to. Going by. Okay. I'm not trying to get copyright. I'm gonna put a little bit of primer. Nothing too crazy. I'm just trying to, anyways. So I go in and I literally, I'm gonna go into my foundation. I go into Fit Me foundation, crazy or not. I do want to try the NARS foundation in the shade 355. If you guys can see, is it gonna focus? If you are the same skin tone as me. Because one thing about this foundation I realized is that every time I use it, like, even if I don't put too much, it's like it does the whole full coverage, and it never feels like I'm wearing so much. Now if I was to wear like MAC, I feel like when I wear MAC, it feels full on my face. With this, it's very light, like it's full coverage, and you just need to put a little bit. I don't like wearing foundation when it feels so full. Like I feel like, oh, I need to take, you know when you feel like, oh, I need to take this makeup off my face. With Fit Me, I don't feel that. I'm like, bro, it's like I ain't even wearing a thing. So with Fit Me, you don't need to add that much, like, and that's what I love about it. Obviously, if you do have like dark spots and stuff, obviously doing color correction with like a light concealer, or like red, like what people usually use, and then going with this foundation brush. You guys see what I mean? It's so like, this is just one swing, like it's crazy. Blend, not too much. I'm trying to say something like that. Trey Songz, Lonely. So yeah, I go in my 2 e.l.f. concealers. I go in with the shade Deep Caramel. So I go in with these 2 shades for concealer, the e.l.f. concealer. I go in with e.l.f. I love it. I do want to try different shades, so do drop down in the comments which other shades I should try, because I do definitely want to try different shades. No, I'm lonely in this bed, so lonely. So I go with the deep olive shade. I go under my eyes. Not too much though, because what I realized is very full coverage. This ain't the one to play with. This ain't no, you know, tit for tat. Okay, I'm gonna go with the other side. Same. You're so bad, it's not me. Now the key to blending in, and I start blending. When I tell you blending is such an important process, a huge difference using a beauty blender and using a brush. I just feel like it gives more full coverage. I think when you use a beauty blender, sometimes it just take away the excess of the concealer. It's using a brush than using a beauty blender, and I don't think I'm gonna look back. Nice look. It's like an airbrush look. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's actually crazy. Stop. They keep going. Yeah. Let's go. Keep going. Stop. They keep going. So yeah, you guys can see I'm basically done. Do the bridge of my nose with a beauty blender, because when I try to do a brush, it just didn't be banging for real. So another song, Nokia. This is my type shit. We're getting the lighter shade just for under the eyes. No, same thing, not too much. And then the same period. I'm just gonna blend, blend, blend. And then I'm gonna speed up the process of me blending, because it's your body's a magic, you know it's a This taking longer than I thought it was gonna take. And now go in with my curve case from Made by Mitchell. I think this is the hot spice one. I don't remember. I'll put all the information down below though in the comment section. I'm gonna go in with, the colors are so cute, right? This shade, I don't want to go too dark because you guys can already see. But if I go too dark, it's gonna look too much. It's really pigmented. It's not even a joke. I'll try something different today, but I'm too scared to risk it. I might try doing the blush. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm gonna go with the shade Blend and Snatch, because I don't want to do anything too dark. Yeah, that's perfectly fine. We ain't gonna go any more darker than that. It is definitely very much pigmented. You guys want to do the bridge of my nose as well. You guys will see the areas basically. Heavy on the pigmented. Wow. I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush to outline my nose. If I can find the right one. I'm gonna go in with a small brush. Side. Kinda like you put me in there. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Cowlick with Where's the SPF. Pause. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys the other side. I literally blended out and it's beautiful. Like, it's not too much. I don't like wearing too much blush. Just a little bit of color, nothing too crazy. Just like a little bit more. I'm just so scared. Like, I just don't want to put in too much. See how pigmented it is? Like, it's crazy. Like, look at that. That's crazy. So yeah, this might be my go-to. I didn't go with the Cowlick, so Cowlick is definitely giving it to me. Let me do the other side, and then I'm gonna come back afterwards. You know that I'm trying to press on a bit on my nose, because I do usually go on my nose, but I don't want to do too much, because as you guys can see, it's very pigmented. So I ain't gonna do too much, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. I want to try the what's it called? The Mercy. Let me let me try it from my mouth. I know, I have it somewhere here. Bro, I know what the hell I'm talking about. I'm gonna go with now a Sacha Buttercup. It does it for me all the time. I'm gonna get new products and show you guys like how I change my routine anyways. You guys do want to see. The brushes make a huge difference. Using a brush, it just makes it sit properly. Just gonna press it in my face. as you guys can see. You just want to take your time with it. You just want to go over the places that you've highlighted and make sure you're still getting that contour look. And then I'm going to go into my bronzer afterwards from H&B's Cosmetics. I'm going to do not too much, not too harsh, just to define the line, just so we can get a little bit of that period. So we've set the face, and now I'm going to do the bridge of my nose. I'm going to use like a powder puff to do the bridge of my nose so I don't ruin the shape of my nose. When I tell you this bronzer has changed the game, baby. If you don't know about bronzer, get into it. Bronzer always does it for me. I never really realized, but bronzer is too serious, okay? So I go in my H&B Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Dark Tan. I might even order another one because I'm scared. Usually it'd be out of stock or whatever the tea is, and now I'm putting y'all on. It could be out of stock. Right here, a little bit of my nose over here. So basically the same places that baby. All that I need, literally all that I need. It's just something about bronzer. Bronzer, like you see, it just does something. I just don't know how to explain it, but it just does something. Literally, in my nose, like I said, just to contour it just like a little bit more. If you guys haven't heard my song, it's out on Spotify, iTunes. Go tell your friends we left. I just with my Max Fix Studio Fix NW45. We don't want to get copyrighted. Yeah, but I just use this just to like dust everything away, just to set everything. So I go in with my Studio Mac Fix Powder Plus Foundation, the shade NW45. And what I do is I literally just press into my face just to set everything. I'm not really doing a baking method. I just put this on top so that if the powder is too light. I'm gonna go in with my highlighter. I don't even know where the hell I got this from. I can't remember. But I do need to get another highlighter, but this one always does it for me. Literally to do a little bit, make my nose a little bit shiny. Put a little bit here so you guys can see, not too much. And then the other, I've done my highlight on my chin, here. I'm just gonna do the corner of my eyebrows, just so you know when you see me from the side in the corner, you can see me. I'm glistening, I'm shining. Just a little. I'm gonna set my face. My favorite all time, yes, Urban Decay All Nighter. Stop playing. Urban Decay All Nighter is like the best setting spray for me. Anyways, I want to try the Charlotte Tilbury. Don't get twisted because that one, yeah. But obviously you want to make sure you drench your face so that it really sets and it's not dry and it moisturizes and sets for the whole day. That's not coming out. That's how you really set your face. See how it's wet? It's really setting everything now. I usually have my fan here. Perfect. I'm gonna quickly fan. I'm gonna straighten my hair. I'm gonna show you guys my lip combo. And yes, I need to straighten my hair, so I'm gonna straighten my hair quickly and then come back. Okay, call me when you need it. I'm gonna outline my lips and the same to the other side. Guys, this is the finishing look. No, this light playing with me.
This ain't gonna be the first time that I do numbers on 2 crutches. Seen more plaques than 2 brushes. Until I'm at the pearly white gates, I gotta move something, do something. All meetings happen in person, so they can't prove nothing. Known her 8 years.